Efficiently updating AWS Lambda functions with the AWS CLI. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Introduction: the importance of keeping Lambda functions current. Updating your AWS Lambda functions in today's fast-paced cloud environment is crucial for maintaining application performance, security, and reliability. As your code evolves to meet new requirements or bug fixes, ensuring that these changes are promptly reflected in your Lambda functions can prevent potential issues and downtime. AWS CLI, Command Line Interface, offers a powerful and efficient way to update your Lambda functions, streamlining the process and allowing you to manage your serverless architecture effectively. The power of update function code, your essential command. One of the most essential commands in your AWS CLI toolkit for Lambda management is update function code. This command allows you to quickly and easily update the code associated with your Lambda function without navigating through the AWS Management Console. With a few lines of code, you can deploy updates, ensuring your Lambda functions are always running the latest version of your application logic. Constructing the command, a breakdown of parameters. To make the most of it, each parameter is critical in ensuring your updates are applied correctly and efficiently. Function name, identifying your Lambda function. The function name parameter is used to specify the name of the Lambda function you want to update. This is a required parameter and should match the exact name of your function as it appears in your AWS account. Example. Function name my Lambda function. Zip file, pointing to your updated code. The zip file parameter tells AWS CLI where to find the updated code for your Lambda function. The code must be packaged in a zip file, and the path to this file should be specified here. Example. Zip file // path to your function code.zip. Profile, utilizing name profiles, optional if you manage multiple AWS accounts or use different IAM roles. The profile parameter allows you to specify which profile to use for the update. This is optional but can be very useful in a multi-account environment. Example. Profile my AWS profile. Putting it into practice, replacing placeholders with real values. Now that you understand the key parameters, let's combine them. Replace the placeholders with the actual values relevant to your Lambda function. Example command. AWS Lambda update function code function name. My Lambda function zip file // path to your function code.zip profile. My AWS profile. Executing the update, triggering the process. Once you've constructed your command, executing it is as simple as running it in your terminal. AWS CLI will handle the rest, uploading the updated code and replacing the old version with the new one. Executing the command. AWS Lambda update function code function name. My Lambda function zip file // path to your function code.zip profile. My AWS profile. Confirming success, checking for error messages. After running the command, confirming that the update was successful is essential. The AWS CLI will return any error messages directly to your terminal. If the command completes without errors, your Lambda function has been successfully updated. You can also verify the update by checking the AWS Management Console for the latest version of your function. Conclusion: maintaining optimal Lambda function performance. Regularly updating your AWS Lambda functions ensures they perform optimally and securely. Leveraging the update function code command in AWS CLI streamlines this process, making updates faster and more efficient. This approach saves time and reduces the likelihood of errors, keeping your serverless applications running smoothly. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website, and follow our social media links.